అని చెప్పాను. ఒక్క సెకండ్ ఉండు, మీ ఇద్దరు కదా కాలు. హలో మనకంట ఇండైరెక్ట్ ట్యాక్స్ కదా ఇప్పుడు. ఓకే అవును పట్నీ అబ్బా. ఈజ్ రెడీ, యు ఆర్ రెడీ, ఐఎమ్ రెడీ. వాట్ ఇస్ రిక్వైర్డ్? పీపుల్స్ ఆర్ రెడీ, systems are ready, weather is ready, everything is ready. 5 minutes. Okay sir, okay sir. మరికంటా సార్. చెప్పండి సార్. దేవుడా, అబ్బా రఫ్ నోట్ బుక్ కూడా రెడీగా పెట్టుకున్నానా. నోమోర్ ప్రాబ్లం లాగిపోయినా ఉండు. సబ్జెక్ట్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ కూడా పక్కన పెట్టుకొని డౌట్ చూడాలిగా. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ కూడా ఉంది. Sir, let us start, sir. Manikanta, sir. Excuse me, sir. Yes, sir. Proceed, sir. Just 1 minute. We are studying indirect tax. BCM Limited, a public limited company registered in Uttar Pradesh. What, sir? రాలాదా వచ్చాడు బాస్. 5 minutes అన్నాడా? అరే వాదర్ వేదర్ చల్లగా ఉంది మనకంట. వర్షం పడుతుంది ఇక్కడ. గుంటూరులో ఎలా ఉంది? పర్లేదు. వర్షం పడుతుందా లేదా? చెన్నైలో వర్షం పడుతుంది ఉదయం నుంచి. మధ్యాహ్నం గట్టి కొట్టింది ఒక అర్ధగంట. నేను 2-3 days నుండి నాకు వచ్చిన అది యుఎస్ జాబ్ అది చూపించాను నీకు, నీకు పంపించానే. అది నిజంగానే ఉందా? ఉంది కానీ ఫేకులు రా. నాకు రే $15,000 అంటే మాట కాదు బాసు. ఎంత అనుకున్నావు? $15,000 అంటే ప్రయాణం ₹1 కోటి దాటిపోద్ది. 10 లక్షలు. 15,000 ఇంటూ ₹80 ఇంటూ నాయన 1.5 crore. కానీ ఉన్నారు సంపాదించే వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. ఇప్పుడు పేపాల్లో నా క్లయింట్ ఉన్నాడు చెప్పాగా, 1 crore 10 lakhs శాలరీ. 1 crore మామూలుగా అయితే ట్యాక్స్ ఆడిట్, బికాస్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఏ టర్న్ ఓవర్, దట్స్ వై వీఆర్ నాట్ డూయింగ్ ట్యాక్స్ ఆడిట్. ఐఎమ్ ఫైలింగ్. అంతేగా, శాలరీ ఇస్ నాట్ ఏ టర్న్ ఓవర్. నో, లెట్ స్టార్ట్ సార్. మరి ఇచ్చాడు అతను ఇంకా యాడే కాలేదా? యాడ్ చేస్తాను మళ్ళీ కలుపుతాను రా. నవ్వట్లేదే కాదా? యాడ్ చేద్దాం అంటే ఆల్రెడీ కాల్లో ఉన్నాడు కాబట్టి రావట్లేదేమో. లేదా ఇది గ్రూపా? యాడ్ చేస్తుంటే యాడ్ అవ్వట్లేదురా. పర్లేదురా, మనం క్వశ్చన్ చూద్దాము. అందుకుంటాడు ఏం చేసి ఎప్పుడు దాకా యూర్ గుడ్ బాయ్. చిరాకే ఉందిలే, పెళ్ళి అయిపోతే అన్నీ అయిపోతాయి. ఒకటేగా మిగిలింది నీకైనా ప్రదీప్ కైనా. ఎందుకు అయిపోతాయా? వాడికి ఆల్రెడీ లైన్ లో వచ్చేసింది జీవితం. కాకపోతే వాడు ఏదో కొంచెం ఇంకా పైన చూస్తున్నాడు. అది ఇంకేం లేదా. Let them, no problem. Professor Manikanta. కేవా ఇస్తుంది, మనకు నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంటే అర్థమైంది, నాలెడ్జ్ లేకపోతే మనకు అర్థం కాదు చివరి దాకా. ఓరే అప్పుడెప్పుడో చాట్ జీపీటీ ఇంతవరకు ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వాలి అది. సో చాట్ జీపీటీ కూడా ఎగ్జాక్ట్ చేయలేదు కొన్ని పనులు, కానీ ప్రాంప్ట్ అడిగిస్తారు. ప్రాంప్ట్ అది ప్రాంప్ట్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అని ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్ ఉంది. అంటే నువ్వు ఎలా అడిగితే అలా దానికి సినారియోస్ క్రియేట్ చేయగలిగితే అది కూడా బెస్ట్గా ఇచ్చింది అనమాట. సో మనం ఎలా అడుగుతున్నాం అనేది పాయింట్. అక్కడ ప్రాంప్ట్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అనే ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్ కూడా వచ్చింది. పీపుల్ ఆర్ వర్కింగ్ ఆన్ దట్. ఎందుకు గుర్తులేడు? నా జూనియర్ అయితే జూనియర్ అంటే కమ్మాస్టర్ కదా చెప్పు నాకు. దిలీప్ ఎస్ లెట్స్ గో హెడ్. మనకంటే నా స్మాల్ డౌట్. వాట్ సార్ బ్రో? వాట్ బ్రో? Yeah, your voice is a little bit breaking. Manikanta, my small doubt, Manikanta. Okay, Manikanta, small doubt. ఇప్పుడు రవి సుస్మిత్ ఆఫీస్ ఇన్ గుంటూరా, యుఎస్ఆ? ఆఫీస్ ఇన్ యుఎస్. అదే కుర్రాడు ఎప్పుడో యుఎస్ వెళ్ళిపోయాడు. ఓకే. బిఎం లిమిటెడ్, ఏ పబ్లిక్ లిమిటెడ్ కంపెనీ. బ్రాస్, ఇండైరెక్ట్ ట్యాక్స్, జాన్ 26 ఆర్టీపీ. దిలీప్ కుమార్, హలో. జాన్ 26 ఇండైరెక్ట్. We are in Jan 26 case number 1. Yes, tell me. Hello. Okay, read. BCM Limited, a public limited company registered in Uttar Pradesh, is engaged in manufacturing of product A, product B, product C. Product A is exempt. Let write down, Manikanta. Product A is exempt. Let me write down. A is exempt. Okay. Under GST, while product B and product C are taxable. Okay. Under GST, moreover, company engaged in making cross-border supplies taxable. Product D procured domestically from local manufacturers. Further, it is engaged in supplying consultancy services. Following information is provided by the company for the month of January. The company manufactured product A and exported 1,000 units of the same worth 8 lakhs to Germany. So it is a zero rated. The company supplied product C value 35 lakh to 𝒟𝒃 Limited, Noida, Uttar Pradesh, including the product C worth 10 lakh supplies to the 𝒟𝒃 unit 𝒟𝒃 Limited in Noida. The company imported. Yeah, that is also zero rated. We can able to claim ITC. The company imported special heavy textile machinery from China. Yes, boss. The company imported specialized heavy textile machine from China on 2nd January with CIF value 55 lakh and FOB value of 53 lakh. It sold the said machinery for 62 lakh in High Sia to Swadeshi Textiles, Delhi. While clearing the Goods for home consumption. Swadeshi Textiles filed bill of entry for 63 lakh. After clearing the machinery for home consumption, Swadeshi Corporation sold the machinery to Gagri Industries for 70 lakh. The company purchased product Z for 10 lakh from Prism Corporation Japan on 5th January and directly routed product Z for supplying to Ginseng Corporation China for 12 lakh. On 15th January, the company purchased product D as merchant exporter for 7 lakh, while a tax invoice dated 1st January from Sharwan Limited, a manufacturer registered in Maharashtra. Product D was removed on GST 9%, SGST 9%, and IGST 18%. For manufacturing product D, product D was exported by the company to Gates Incorporation USA. FOB value of product D exported is 8,40,000. The company supplied consultancy services to its subsidiary company XYZ Incorporation located and registered in Florida, USA, to its branch office located in Diogo, USA for 12 lakh and 24 lakh value of supply. Both cases determined as per Rule 28 respectively. Company sold a future derivative contract NSE, National Stock Exchange, which was due in the month of January 20 lakh. Said contract no delivery option. 1% of the total turnover is the taxable value for the purpose of Rule 4043. Seventh point. Now,
Okay.
so this is a comprehensive question. Better we solve the question, then we can see the answers. What do you say? Rather than going by like this, it will take a time, but better to solve holistically. In the, what bhaiya? Sir, okay. First question. Company can take ITs. My voice is not audible.
Not your money and the voice is not audible.
Okay. See. Yeah, sir. Okay. What I'm telling, Manikanta, this question.
Then we can go through the question.
Yeah. You go through. Yeah. Go through and try to solve. You people try to solve.
Okay. First question. The company can take ITC of that on product D produced by its as a merchant exporter.
Company can take ITC
Merchant
of
exporter
product D.
means it is the point number B. The company purchased product D as a merchant exporter for 7 lakh. So, in the case of hello.
Yeah. Read.
The ITC relating to merchant export means 0.1%. So in our question 0.5, merchant exporter 7 lakh tax invoice purchased. Company purchased product D as a merchant exporter for 7 lakh. So 7 lakh into 0.1%, IGST 700. Correct.
1%.
Okay.
Where 1%? Where, bro?
0.1%. Merchant exporter this one. So 0.1%.
No. Merchant exporter 0.1. Where they said in question? Let me. Where they said 0.1? Merchant. Oh, 0.1 you are telling. Okay. My doubt. He purchased 7 lakhs. No, on that 7 lakhs, whatever he paid GST will come ITC.
Company purchased product D as a merchant exporter 7 lakh by the tax invoice.
Okay.
So that is 0.1%.
How do you know 0.1%? That's what my doubt.
In the case of merchant export, it is 0.1%. Somewhere I read in book.
Ayyo, not reading book. Ayyo, in that case, they might have told you if you sold IGST 1% like that to the, especially if you bought from the merchant exporter and if you sold to outsiders, that will be 1% rate. They might be told in that question. This question where they told, tell me. That's what my question. If
No,
they said,
no, you just said. Manikanta will explain that clause. I don't know that clause.
clause, I know perfectly. Manikanta, actually, that is a past exam question. What Dilip said telling.
Please.
Ah.
Wait. If someone is telling, please listen.
You
know, you have everything. If one person is telling, just listen. That's why we are lacking. We did not complete CA from last 10 years. Only in CA final. First listen at least now. Bro, no, you tell clearly. Yeah, based on my understanding, if a company take ITC of product purchased as a merchant exporter means ITC is 0.1%. Somewhere I read that one. I don't know that clause.
Actually, there is no such provision. Okay. In this question, what provision is there? No. See, actually, the person, for example, the person who purchased from the outside India and then he exporting, those kind of people get refund, those cases. But some persons who purchased from the merchant exporter also, they are eligible for the duty drawback schemes. What is that? That is there, no capital goods scheme, and these are there, no advance authorization, duty free import authorization. For those, even merchant exporter is eligible. Okay, that is different story. In this question, product D, the company purchased product D as a merchant exporter for 7 lakh. On that 7 lakh, how much he paid GST, that much he will be eligible for ITC. That's what my question. Now, okay. Product D was removed on 2nd January for the premises of Sharwan Limited, supplied directly to a registered warehouse. Sharwan Limited has a purchased input tax X and input tax Y worth 1,60,000. See, on 1,60,000, whatever he paid GST, now eligible. Now 1 minute.
Now can I say?
One minute. Product D, 1 minute. Product D was exported by the company to Gates in Okanation.
Sriman, 1 second. He has to explain. Give time to him. You already explained it.
No. He explained, not completed. 8,40,000 is there. No, that then only will complete. Just 1 minute. Ultimately, he supplied to exports is a 8,40,000, bro. Out of 8,40,000, 7 lakh is eligible, and 7 lakh is eligible for ITC. And premises is supplied directly to a registered warehouse, Sharwan Limited. Premises.
You are reading all the story. You just answer the question. First read the question. Manikanta will explain that one.
Explain. Okay.
Based on the good procured only, he will explain that one. You share your idea, Manikanta.
Okay. Share your idea.
Rima,
only
one. Speaking for this also.
Okay.
Market export. According to what is market export means, they paid the tax, they purchased the goods with high GST and they will sell the goods with low GST or no GST. So that is one of the reasons. So here already the person is working as a merchant exporter. So merchant exporter, how much they purchased the goods? 7 lakhs. Hello? So 7 lakhs into 0.1%. Which is 700. And one more thing, what we need to take, CGST or IGST? Here place of supply is important. Their goods purchased and they are selling. Product D is exported. In the 5th point, you see the product D is exported. But the exported USA. So
place of supply is IGST.
IGST.
So my understanding is IGST 700.
Okay, correct.
ఏంది మళ్ళీ చెప్పు మాస్టరు IGST 700 అది ఎక్కడ చెప్పాడు రేట్ ఎక్కడ ఉందంటున్నా నేను వేర్ ఈస్ ద రేట్ పర్సంటేజ్
Go to your identity textbook and see section number merchant exporter. I will tell the section number is section 60.
Okay, they mentioned 1% of IGST on value.
Not one, only 1%, because they cannot take input tax credit. They purchase and they sell without any duty. That's why this cost come.
See, one more thing I want to tell you. Remember, merchant exporter means purchased at high tax rate, selling at low tax. There is one point they have given. Rates of CGST, IGST on outward supplies unless otherwise specified is 6%. So, ఇక్కడ outward supply is 6%, here inward supply is 9%. So, అర్థమైందా అర్థం లేదా?
అరే నాకా అర్థం కాలేదురా 1% ఎలా వచ్చింది అది నా డౌట్.
1% అంటే సెక్షన్ లో ఇచ్చిన వెయిట్ బ్రో ఓన్లీ 1 minute. Can you open your book and open section 16 of IGST? What it says? Just check.
1 minute.
Bro, 2 minutes. We'll go to the show.
Okay.
Okay, he has to come. Remember only one thing, merchant exporter is always like this.
ఇది 1% వచ్చిందా మర్చెంట్ ఎక్స్పోర్టర్ కి?
Not one.
This person is telling more than 10 times. It's 0.1%, 0.1%.
అరే 0.1 ఎక్కడ ఉందండి అదిరా నా డౌట్. 0.1. Okay, question number అదే IT section 16 I have seen bro. Where is it in section 16?
Wait.
Or there is a notification also in 2017.
మరికంట అదేనా వాట్సాప్ ఉండి ఒకసారి పెట్టి మరికంట నీ దగ్గర ఉంది
గూగుల్లో సెర్చ్ చేయి.
గూగుల్
Merchant exporter. Google. I will search in Google.
ఓకే సెర్చ్ అండి వాట్సాప్ లో.
Section 16 of IGST will explain that one.
Section 16, zero-rated supplier. Eligible to ITC section 16. I think that one. Eligibility to ITC section 16 of CGST. And the concessional GST for merchant export notification 41/2017 IGST rate. That is what it's about.
Sir, okay, I'll check later. Okay, bro.
Okay, next question. If company does not export a product to be produced by it as a merchant exporter till last date, it cannot avail benefit of concessional rate under section 41. I am saying section 41/2017. So this one only Google said. So if a company does not export a product to be produced by it as a merchant exporter till last date, it cannot avail the benefit of concessional rate. That is 90 days if my memory is correct. The company purchased the product as a merchant exporter and invoiced dated 1st January. So 1st January means January 31 days. This is not a leap year, I think. February 28 days, March 31 days, so 90 days over, and 1st April is the answer. They have to avail before 1st April. Any doubt? 3 months.
Okay, 1 minute.
Whatever is saying this, a merchant exporter within 90 days
ఓకే ఓకే
Yes, Praveen.
నిజంగా మామూలుగానే అతను అన్నట్టు క్లాస్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ. There is a class is there, but why it is not incorporated in books? Bro, it is showing Google only, but this is not incorporated in textbook. That's why I'm not remember. Okay, okay.
I also not read the entire book. Maybe that one.
That is the
Okay, third one. Which of the following statement is true with respect to product D produced by the company as a merchant exporter? We can read. First one. Sharavan Limited on claim ITC on input used for manufacturing product D under GST law. I think that is correct. The company is permitted to export product D on payment of IGST. In the case of export, there is no concept of IGST.
yeah.
So that A is wrong. B, Sharavan Limited can claim ITC on input used for manufacturing product D. That's correct. The company is permitted to export product D only LUT bond and no payment on GST. That might be the correct answer. LUT bond.
But it is not only LUT, right? They can pay the tax and they can claim refund also, right?
But payment on IGST is not there.
Okay.
For export.
Payment on BCD. Okay.
And I think that is correct. B, Sharavan Limited cannot claim ITC. That is wrong. B also Sharavan Limited cannot claim ITC. That is wrong. First sentence itself that is wrong. We can claim ITC. So comparing A and B is the right answer.
Bro, I have one question. Whatever you saying, I understood. So generally GST, so payment of IGST is not there, huh?
In the case of export, the payment of IGST is not there unless and until that item is specifically notified by the government. Due to scarcity of material, if export, government prohibited
Sir,
some items
okay.
export.
Okay, Dilip, Sharavan Limited also on how much value they can claim ITC? 7 lakh, 8 lakh 40, 8 lakh 60, huh? Because he bought 7 lakh 1 and 1 lakh and around 60,000. So three together around 8 lakh 60. On how much value
That
he
is
can?
FOB value of the product is 8 lakh 40. So FOB was to consider in the case of exporter.
Sir, okay. Oh, FOB 8 lakh 40 you will consider,
That is for
7 lakh only we need to consider.
No. Bro, I understood, bro. 8 lakh 40 is your exports, okay. For that, he utilized inputs. How much inputs utilized?
7 lakh.
7 lakh. What about this 1 lakh and 60?
That's why we claimed in first question that is 700.
That's okay. So now 1 lakh and 60 is not eligible.
Not eligible.
Because they are local purchased. Not from merchant.
Yes.
Sir, okay. Manikanta convincing,
Okay, good.
Manikanta okay na?
I am convinced. Yeah.
Sir, okay.
We can check the answer. Next, compute the zero rated supply made by the company. Okay, we can have a quick calculator. Read the first 1 to 7. First one, the company manufactured product A and exported 1000 units, 8 lakh. Please write somewhere 8 lakh.
Okay.
Plus, second one, the company supplied product C value 35,000 to 𝒟𝑒𝓃 Limited, Noida, Northern Export, including product C worth 10 lakh supplied to CES. Oh, that is an export. So please add 10 lakh with 8 lakh. Next, point C, the company imported.
Bro, 1 minute, bro. I have one question. Here they are telling product A is only product B and product C are taxable. So, in the first point, they are telling product A. So, product A will cover under zero rated supplies.
Yes. Second question.
Second point, product C is why it is covered under zero rated supply.
Because 10 lakhs is supplied to Sechi Manikanta.
Wait, I will explain. Even if the product C is taxable, any supply to Sechi unit that is considered as export and that is zero rated.
See, Manikanta, The product whether is taxable exempt not the issue. Whether exported or not the issue
only
here.
10 lakh value is considered. Only 10 lakh value is to be considered.
Correct.
Manikanda,
Okay, next.
for computing zero rate turnover, whether product exempt or taxable is not the matter. Whether it is exported or not the matter.
Okay.
Next.
Okay, and point number C. Point number C talks about only import. Number 4, the company produced product is for 10 lakhs from Prism Corporation on Japan on January 5th and directly routed product is for supplying the product which the company purchased. Okay, let me check that one.
Because IC sale is not a supply itself, no, first of all.
Okay. That is,
because they directly routed to China.
I understood. Understood. Product not reached India. Next, the company purchased the product D. Our product D we already discussed FOB value 8,40,000. That 8,40,000 we have to add. That's export value.
Okay.
Zero rated. And next, the company supplied consultancy service to its subsidiary company 𝒟𝑒𝑑 Limited, located registered in Florida, USA.
It look like an import, no?
USA. No, and to its branch office located in San Francisco. Registered office 12 lakh and branch office 24 lakh. So that 12 lakh we have to consider.
Bro, this also look like IC, no? Because what they did, the company supplied consultancy service to.
No, it is not IC. You read that one. The company supplied. Company means domestic company.
Okay,
the company supplied consultancy service to its subsidiary company XYZ Incorporation located in registered USA. The company supplied service to USA. That is 12 lakh. And to its branch office located in San Francisco, USA for 12 lakh. That is a brand supplied to branch. That is no need to consider as exporter.
Why branch also outside India, no? Why, bro? Why branch also outside India, no?
Branch have specific places are there. Branch means if registered or not, something is there in relating to branch. Have you remember that one?
What, bro? Tell me again.
Company supplied consulting.
I thought both need to be included, bro.
Branch, see, supply to branch means same type of transfer only. That is not a. If head office to branch, it is not a supply.
Ayon, what I am telling you, both branches is outside India only. That's why it is exported.
Okay, well, first one is not branch. First one is registered office. Company's registered office.
Okay.
First one is the subsidiary.
First one is separated. Second one is branch only. So branch transaction between head office and branch like that only, that one considered.
Okay.
So I think 13,40,000 total.
Fifth one
means
that is not a sale, no?
That is not a sale.
Sir, okay. Answer how much coming? Let me see. 8 plus 10 plus 8.4 plus 12. How much, bro? 38.4. Huh?
38.4.
How much answer is there?
38.4. Look into the answer. If you add 38.4 with the 24 also, that figure is not there in the choice.
Yeah. Right only. What you said right only. But I am not convincing because both of is there outside India only. Then I am supplying to both of them.
Outside India, but see, if a company having head office in Delhi and a branch in Noida, that supply we cannot consider as.
Yeah, we cannot consider right only because it is in India. Now these two outside India, no? Isn't the case?
See, 1 second. The company has a subsidiary in USA, and that subsidiary has a branch in USA.
Okay.
That 96 because I wasn't sure about because I'm not an expert in this one.
Sir, okay. I assumed that another one subsidiary to subsidiary may be done. First I done subsidiary, that subsidiary may be done to subsidiary. That's why I'll consider this only first transaction. Okay, understood. Next question.
If I see given one more choice in that out of 4 is 54,40,000, then we might be confused.
Yes,
in that
definitely.
example.
Definitely.
Next, compute the value of exempt supply made by the company in January for the purpose of reversal exchange.
The accessible value.
Assessable value. That is in third one. The company incorporated supply heavy textile machinery from China 2nd January. CIF is 55,000 and FOB 53. It sold the machinery for 62 lakh IC to Swadeshi Textiles Delhi while clearing the goods for home consumption. It is 63. So 62 and 63, whichever is higher, 63 lakh.
63 lakh is the accessible value. Because we are taking at the time of the bill of entry. Answer is that only, huh?
Okay.
Answer is correct, huh? Okay. Okay. Correct, Manikanta, correct, Hello, kindly check answer and tell me.
Wrong minute. I'm trying to do.
Okay.
What is the answer, boss?
63 lakh.
Okay, super. Go ahead then.
That is, there is only two value there. FOB and bill of entry.
Yeah. That's right. Sure.
Okay, next, compute the value of exempted supply made by the company in January for the purpose of reversal of input tax credit. That's 7th one.
Super. This is the best question. Rule 543 reversal.
Sold future derivative contract at NSE for the month of January for 20 lakhs. So 1% of 20 lakh is 20,000.
Yeah, 1 lakh into 20,000, that is exempt. Tax. Okay. Super. Understood. Exempt only. Understood. Super.
Okay, read question 2. Scenario 2.
Case 3. Scenario 2.
Scenario 3, 2.
Yeah.
Can I read or someone want to read? Okay. Vision Wave Private. Can I read?
Yeah.
Okay.
Read.
Vision Wave Private Limited manufacturer taxable textile product. It has two manufacturing unit, Kanpur and Agra, both in Uttar Pradesh. A manufacturing unit Punjab. Yeah. A manufacturing unit Punjab. But bro, I thought first question is very difficult question. He solved very quickly, Abba. Okay. Super. And a manufacturing unit in Punjab, retail showroom in Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh, and another retail showroom in Delhi. The company has the policy of obtaining the single registration for all places of business located in the state. The company has provided the following details regarding to the month of January. So maybe the distribution. Okay. Sale of textile taxable goods. Retail showroom Lucknow, Kanpur, Agra. Okay. Purchase of taxable raw material. That's okay. Payment made for security, personal service. This we need to pay under RCM. Freight paid to Fleet Wave Cargo, an unregistered goods transport agency, RCM. Freight paid to freight paid to horse cart puller for intra-city transport of goods. This is not a GTA. Asal taxable gochida, ఇది not taxable, I hope. Because they used animal, no?
Yeah.
They used animal to transport.
Okay.
Loading, unloading charges paid to laborer. Liable normal forward charge mechanism. Payment to shift ride services to private limited towards rental to floor Innova car, air condition, hired for senior officers to the company manufacturing unit. Perfectly RCM. Rent paid to Lucknow Municipal Corporation for the retail showroom. Yes, RCM. Interest received on fixed deposit with the nationalized bank is not taxable requirement for manufacturing of the textile product. Any standard requirement is not liable for GST. Sale of securities were purchased for 10 lakh 50. What do you say? 1% of the 1% of the turnover only exempted supply. Sale of agriculture land. Value of goods. Sorry, sale of agriculture land in the vicinity of the manufacturing plant.
Stamp duty value we need to take.
Yeah, stamp duty value you need to take. That is also exempted sale, you need to reverse for ITC. Sale of old factory building which was not used anymore, stamp duty was paid 81 lakh. Yeah, this is stamp duty 81 lakh also, you need to reverse ITC. So following additional information is provided by the company. In case of the Kanpur unit, payment for security service for the month of January, it has been made to a Guardian Shield Security Private Limited, the company not registered under GST. That's good. For Agra unit, the payment for security services for the month of January has been made Peacekeeper Security Solutions partnership firm registered under GST. Body corporate, then RCM will not apply. Fleetwave Cargo has issued the invoice for goods transportation service on January 5 on Kanpur unit and Agra unit, while Kanpur unit made the payment January 27. Remember, Venkata, point Jan 27 pages. Okay. Jan 27 means hours 60 days. Agra unit made payment on March 28. Okay. And on Jan 27, Agra unit made the payment on March 28. The tax invoice issued by Kanpur unit and Agra unit for goods transportation service on February 01, Jan 29 respectively. Stock valued 7,30,000 was transferred from Kanpur unit to Agra unit on January 16. Further stock valued 6,80,000 was also transferred from Punjab unit to retail showroom at Delhi on January 22. The same was billed to Delhi retail showroom 5 lakh. Punjab, Delhi both are different state, no?
Yes.
The last point only not understood properly. Stock valued 7,30,000 was transferred from Kanpur unit to Agra on January 16. Kanpur, Agra both are same state, no bro?
Same place.
Okay, that's not supply. Further stock valued 6,80,000 was transferred from Punjab to retail showroom in Delhi. This alone supply. The same was billed to Delhi retail showroom 5 lakh. Okay. So whatever billed only taxable maybe. All the amount mentioned in the case scenario are exclusive taxes wherever applicable. Agra manufacturing unit and retail showroom located in Delhi are eligible for full ITC. Eligible for full ITC, then that cases whatever you billed only, that is only value of supply. Question number 7. The aggregate value of inward supplies which are exempt from GST received by Kanpur and Agra unit retail showroom Lucknow is. So inward supplies. So let's go and calculate. You're asking to whatever inward exempt supplies. Inward, not outward.
Okay.
So
That too from
sale, okay. Purchase taxable raw material.
Kanpur and Agra unit. That too inward exempt.
Inward exempt అడుగుతున్నాడు.
Kanpur, Agra.
అవేంటి చూద్దాం ఫస్ట్ 1 పర్చేజ్ ఆఫ్ taxable raw material కాదు, పేమెంట్ మేడ్ టు సెక్యూరిటీ డిపాజిట్. అది కాదు. ఫ్రైట్ పెయిడ్ టు ఫ్లీట్ కాదు. ఫ్రైట్ పెయిడ్ టు హార్స్ కార్ పుల్లర్. యా
That
ఫిఫ్త్
is
వన్.
exempted. That 5,000 is exempted.
యా 5,000
But
and
it's more
loading.
than 5,000, no? So nothing is exempt, right?
No, there are many. Their interest is there, land is there. Freight paid to fleet wave cargo unregistered goods transport agency, అది okay. Freight paid to horse cart pillar, okay. And loading unloading charges paid to laborer taxable. Payment to shift ride services towards the.
Exempted.
Yeah, right.
Next, the fees paid to the government for certification of workers as
Hello,
statutory. That
what about interest? Interest also exempt. Interest also exempt.
Interest is exempted.
Interest also exempt.
In the which point that one interest?
Ninth point. Eighth point.
Also complete the
8th or 9th రా 1 I అంటే 7 8th 9th point bro. 9th point is exempt 1,08,000. Interest received on FD.
No.
Interest received on FD bro.
Is that inward supply?
Abba, sorry. Inward supply no. Super.
So next one, that 15. So answer
Yes.
is 5,000 plus 15,000 plus 15,000. 35,000 is the answer.
Super.
how much, bro?
Super abba.
35,000.
Super. Exact. That is the answer,
How the 35,000 will come?
35,000. 5,000 first. 5,000
Cart
4.5.
puller.
Yeah.
Next, that government fee paid to state government for certification relating to safety of workers. That is 100% exempt. That one.
Mr. Dilip, my sincere advice, you please write to both groups sincerely. You have nice knowledge about indirect tax. Don't leave. Because you attempt, you don't know. They will throw you out. You will pass. So my sincere advice, don't take it easy. Just you spend 1 hour per day. Yeah. Proceed. Super.
Next one. Which of the following transactions undertaken by Kanpur and Agra until fall under Schedule 3 of the CGST Act? Sale of agricultural land in the vicinity of the manufacturing plant, sale of factory building which was not used by anyone, sale of securities, no, 100%. Interest received on fixed deposit with the national.
First of all, bro, Schedule 3 is speaking about what? Classification, not supply. Schedule 3 is speaking about classification, right? Or not supply. Neither supply nor service.
Schedule 3 talks about excludes.
That's called neither supply nor service.
No, yes, correct. Neither supply of goods, neither supply of services.
So I think that one first and two. Sale of agricultural land, no. The sale of old factory building which was not used, that is also only.
Then what is answer? Other than interest, everything.
One and two. A.
Okay. What is answer, bro? 1 and 2 are right,
The other two no exclusion. Sale of security already deducted 1%.
1% treated as value of the goods.
No. In sale of securities also they mentioned neither supply nor service. Only because of Rule 40 to 43 alone, 1% of the sale value is the exempt supply. Otherwise, it is also not a supply.
That is not to be considered. So exclusion only sale of agriculture land. That is accepted. Next one, sale of old factory building. Factory and building is not a good. So
bro, I hope answer D. What is answer, bro? What do you say answer? What is answer?
Why the second one we are considering, bro?
I thought D is the answer.
If the company sells its factory building, means it is the company's asset only, that one.
Company, so that we should not consider it GST.
No. Yeah. Because wherever stamp duty, wherever you are selling through stamp duty value, That is out of GST. That's why they said NAR supply. Sir, okay, what is the answer, bro?
Same.
D. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah,
Yes,
that's
yes,
what
one
I
and two.
guess. I guessed D only. Right. Why I guessed no?
Next,
You want explanation? No need, huh? Okay,
no, no.
okay. Go
Next,
ahead.
the value of inward 9 to 1, the value of inward supplies received by GST payable under RCM.
Okay. How much you have
Okay,
money?
just go through the cost. Everywhere Agra unit is there. So first we can go through Agra unit. There are 3 columns heading: the retail showroom Lucknow, Kanpur unit,
And
Agra unit.
Agra. Now you want RCM Agra, right? Okay.
RCM Agra. RCM
Sale
Agra,
of
there are
tax.
1, 2,
Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6 points are there.
Okay.
6, 7, 8.
First,
And the
third
first
number is there 1,10,000.
first sale of taxable goods, that is no RCM. That 13 lakh 50,000.
Yes.
Purchase of raw material, taxable, that is no RCM.
Yes.
Payment of security service 1 lakh 10,000 RCM.
Yes.
Freight
Bro,
paid to
1 minute. We can able to enlarge our discussion in RCM point by point. So as per
that one later, because that one lot of things are there under RCM. So that one day we can fix, and after reading we can come. This is based on the point we can. This is we can first answer this question. Otherwise, if someone asks something means continuously 1 to 10 point, it is difficult to explain. That book is required. The payment to security service anyways comes under RCM. Right to pay to fleet
services, I have one question. I will not ask. The security services to be a registered person, that only comes under RCM, right?
Unregistered, ra. Security service to unregistered.
Yeah, this is personal service only. Payment made for security, personal service.
Okay. Understood. You can continue.
Freight paid to cargo, that is also RCM. So next, loading and unloading, no RCM. Payment to shift private service private limited towards rental of 4 Innova car.
Perfectly RCM, bro.
No RCM that one.
Why?
That one no RCM.
Why? Tell me.
That one how RCM come? If you are taking Ola taxi in Chennai, you are paying tax, sir?
Bro, rent cab service, no, that one.
Rent a cab service. Who paid tax? For it, right only they are collecting taxes.
That's why, bro, this is forward. You are telling forward, but they're registered and unregistered. That is important.
That one they are not given the question. If Ola giving service means there is no RCM.
Let me check. They're given clearly. 1 minute. Fleet cargo.
Security personnel, I understand.
Okay.
Interest received on fixed deposit, no RCM, because banks are not collecting from outside. And fee paid to that is exempted only. Sale of agricultural land, no RCM. So in Agra, 1,10,000 and 40,000. So 1,50,000 first word. 1,50,000 answer. Agra. So Agra first now go to our answer. Agra first one 1,80,000. So first we can ignore. Next Agra 1,87,000, 5,000. That also we can ignore. C and D, one of them is the answer. So C and D, Agra both of them mentioned 1,50,000. Next we have to check Kanpur unit 1,85,000 or 35.
Okay. Kanpur 1,85,000 is there.
1,85,000 is there. Next Kanpur 35,000 is there. Retail both are 3,20,000. So retail might be 3,20,000 answer. So Kanpur we have to check whether it's 1,85,000 or 35. We can check in Kanpur in the question.
1,85,000. Same. Okay, we'll see. Kanpur.
security personal service?
1,50,000.
1,50,000. Point in the case of Kanpur unit, payment for security service for the month of January has been made to Guardian Shield Security Private Limited. So that is not an RCM. That is registered agency.
What, Sriman? You are okay, what?
Okay.
So answer is C. D. Answer is D.
See, rent paid to Lucknow Municipal Corporation, RCM, no?
He already told, na?
Okay.
So our question talks about only retail showroom. That one considered.
Okay. Question number 10, you already answered, huh?
10 not answered.
Question number 10, not answered, huh?
Now reading. The time of supply of goods transaction service provided by Fleet-Wave Cargo Limited. Time of supply. Fleet-Wave Cargo Limited. Go to point number 2. Fleet-Wave Cargo Limited has issued the invoice for goods transaction service on January 5 on Kanpur unit and Agra unit, while the Kanpur unit made the payment on January 27. Okay. January 27, that later. So that January 27 is correct. Next, Agra unit made a payment on March 28.
For more than
the
30 days of invoice of the good.
Then tax invoice issued by Kanpur unit and Agra unit for the goods transaction service is February 1 and January 29. Kanpur Agra unit January 29. Kanpur unit.
So I issued the invoice for GTA and John 5th. Question, answer the question.
This date we have to write. First one Agra unit. Which one is later? Agra unit. Later date. Agra unit is Jan 29 only. Kanpur unit later date January 5 and January 27. So January 27 only Kanpur later date.
But why we have one amendment is there. 61st day for the date of the invoice. So that new amendment for GTA. Time of issue of invoice.
And here 65 day not crossed. January 5th to 65 day means January, February, March, and so I think for January is for Agra unit 29, January 29 and Kanpur unit January 27.
1 minute.
Kanpur unit payment made January 27 we can take anyway.
Bro,
Agra,
1 minute we can able to understand. There are 3 points in the time of supply relating to the RCM in the time of supply of the good. So first question is payment made. Payment made is Jan 27th for Kanpur. Show of the notice. February 1st. Jan 27th, February 1st. And 61st day from the date of issue of invoice. That is March.
If invoice is not issued. So there we have to consider only Jan 29 for Agra unit.
Jan 27th is this one, correct.
Jan 27.
You are okay, what?
C, point number C.
Manikanta, you taken all date of payment, goods GTA kada idi జీటీఏ ఆర్సీఎంలో కట్టాలి. కట్టాలంటే టైమ్ ఆఫ్ సప్లై ఏదో అడుగుతున్నారు, అదే కదా మీ డౌట్. ట్యాక్స్
టైమ్ ఆఫ్ సప్లై 3 పాయింట్స్ ఒకటి గుర్తుంచుకో.
In the case of Kanpur unit, in the case of Kanpur unit, we have taken payment made date.
టెల్ మీ మనకంట. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఆర్సీఎం కదా, ఆర్సీఎం లో టైమ్ ఆఫ్ సప్లై ఏంటంటే డేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇష్యూసా 60 days ఫ్రమ్ ది డేట్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్వాయిసా కంప్లీషన్ ఆఫ్ సర్వీసా? ఆర్సీఎం లో
See, if you are down to which you just write Kanpur left side, Agra right side, and payment made date both, invoice date both, then it will get a clear clarity.
It is a goods, no? First of all, it is a goods. Let me see provision, then I will remember. Time of supply 59. Because I am confusing these many days they given now.
There is one amendment in September books.
Tell me what is the amendment? 30 days to invoice should be issued within 30 days.
61 days.
60.
And that is if no payment made or no like that, only 61 days. Otherwise, the invoice has to be issued within 30 days. If invoice is issued 30 days, we have to consider that one.
Bro, 1 minute. 30 days is normal thing. 61 days before the supplier is not issued, that GTA need to ask him, receiver need to issue within 30 days. Right?
Yes.
సరే మరికంట, ఇప్పుడు ఇది జీటీ అంటే మరికంట ఇది గూడ్సా సర్వీసా? గూడ్స్ రైటా? గూడ్స్. సో గూడ్స్ అయినప్పుడు డేట్ ఆన్ విచ్ గూడ్స్ ఆర్ రిసీవ్డ్, డేట్ ఆన్ విచ్ పేమెంట్ ఈస్ మేడ్, 31st day from the date of invoice, which is earlier.
Okay, in this question, we can first read Agra unit, what all are the things in Agra unit. Just only consider Agra unit. Invoice transaction on January 5 on Kanpur unit and Agra unit. Both run services on January 5.
Service illa bro, goods ide. Goods, not a service, right?
Goods transportation service, GTA.
Okay, service. Sir. Okay.
Goods GTA. This is GTA. That's why that 61 days concept is coming in only in the case of GTA.
Okay.
PTA has issued invoice on GTA on January 5 on Kanpur unit and Agra unit. Both unit service date January 5. Invoice date, issued invoice. While the Kanpur unit made the payment on Jan 27. Kanpur unit made the payment on Jan 27 within 30 days. Agra unit made the payment on March 28. So, in the case of Agra unit, that payment we cannot consider. That is March 28 means it is more than 30 days. So tax invoices are issued by Kanpur unit and Agra unit. So in the case of Agra unit, we have to consider the invoice date. Agra unit invoice issued on Jan 29. That is within 30 days. So Agra unit we have to consider invoice date 29, Jan 29, and Kanpur unit we have to consider payment date Jan 27.
Sir, Guruji, okay, thank you for me. Time up. Thanks to one and all. I'm leaving. Guruji, because
only 2 questions. This only I think only one question for this case.
Okay. Then read. One question, no problem. Read, bhaiya.
This case we can finish.
Yeah, read. Super.
The value to
but I'm confusing these dates and all. I will see analysis later. I'm little confusing the dates, so I'll do later. No issue.
Okay. With the rest of the thing tomorrow we can continue. Anyway, tomorrow Sunday only. The value of supply made.
Today Sunday, bro. Tomorrow Sunday. Today Sunday. Today Sunday. Tomorrow Monday. Today Saturday na. Manikanta, today Saturday.
You are also living in Apple.
Ayyo.
You are not in other branches.
Manikanta, I forgot dates also. I thought Sunday.
Okay. Okay, I am reading the question. The value of supply made from Kanpur unit to Agra. Kanpur to Agra. I think intrastate. Kanpur to Agra unit from Punjab unit. Okay, Punjab unit to retail showroom at Delhi during January. The value of supply made from Kanpur to Agra. Kanpur to Agra, there is no value supply because that is in same registration, same place. That is zero only.
Manikanta,
Kanpur to Agra.
I am in the assumption that today Sunday. Ayyo.
Okay, that's it. You leave that, but you think about this question. Kanpur to Agra means within the branch transaction. That is, there is no value of supply.
Yes.
And from Punjab to Delhi. Punjab to Delhi, how much you just...
Punjab to Delhi.
6,80,000.
Okay.
Punjab to Delhi, 5 lakhs, no, bro. They issued invoice for 5 lakhs.
The same was billed to Delhi showroom at 5 lakh.
5 lakhs.
5 lakh. Punjab
Because they are eligible for ITC, no?
But stock is 6,80,000, no?
But they are eligible for ITC. That's why whatever they given, that only value of supply. That's what I hope. Because of value of.
That is further valued only that 6 lakh 80. That's in the showroom, that price is 5 lakh only. Stock valued at 7 lakh.
Manikanta, one section is there, no? When the recipient are eligible for ITC, whatever value mentioned on the invoice only, valuation purpose, you will take that value only.
Okay, correct. What he said is correct. The stock billed 5 lakh only. So invoice is shown only 5 lakh. So answer is C. 11, the answer is C.
Okay. Last bit is the 12th one. If you want to read, we can continue. Nothing bits are there.
Last one, what is there?
Okay.
Only one bit is there, so that all it will cover.
Okay. Rajesh, an importer.
Read.
Rajesh, an importer, cleared a shipment of electronic goods. After clearance, he realized that the duty paid was less than the actual due amount. Because of clerical error, the entry filed. He wished to revise the entry to correct this. However, recently the Customs Department initiated an audit and informed Rajesh about. Rajesh wished to voluntarily revise the entry details at this stage. Which of the following statement is the most appropriate in this regard? Really, I don't know. Anybody answer this? Rajesh can revise the entry details.
Here the question, the Customs Department initiated an audit and informed Rajesh about it. The Customs Department started any audit in the entity, the revision cannot be possible.
Not possible, huh?
Only after completing that one, only revision possible.
Thank you, Guru. You lead that team today.
No, as revision entry is not allowed once the audit of transaction has been initiated and the importer has been intimated. Correct. C only answer.
Okay. Manikanta, tomorrow morning what time we will meet? Tomorrow morning what time will start?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. Dilip, are you okay for 7 o'clock?
Let me wake up. Okay.
Sir, okay, Manikanta, I'll call you by 7 o'clock. We'll start. We'll finish some GTIDT and then we both will move to first group. Dilip,
Okay.
our target is 3 papers per day, Dilip. At least 3 papers.
First group we can continue that NTP.
Yeah, that we'll continue. See, we'll continue, but our target is to complete 3 papers. Otherwise, we will not feel happy.
Articles is over, bro.
Huh?
Yeah, articles is
Manikanta.
I did my articles in Chennai.
Manikanta, what miss Dilip? Dilip is my classmate. Okay, na?
Okay, I thought he just.
No. He also like me, not like me means he also studied with me Anna library. Like us, suffering, struggling like you only, not like me also. I'm married. You both are same. Okay, but you please help him
Manikanda. See,
to
Manikanda.
job.
Next June, I have my CS final exam also. Recently, I cleared the CS in the CS executive. That was my first attempt. So, attempt for that one also. After that, I need to search somewhere else something.
Definitely, Manikanda will help you. Manikanda have a very good network and he working very big companies. He referred me many times. I got a job also, but I am not willing to join. That's why I didn't join. Do you know what is the beauty of Manikanda job? You really astonished because he never go to office. He will work from home only, but he will earn 20 lakhs.
Where is your location, Manikanda? Guntur?
He resident of Guntur, but he work in Bangalore. He never go to office.
Oh, work in Bangalore. Okay.
Working in Bangalore, company is Bangalore, but he don't go office, bro. You understand? Always work from home. Everything. That is very nice. Now I told him if Manikanta like job, if I got, I'm so happy. I'll go my home and enjoy.
You did not have a professional experience, bro.
I have.
I'm asking the professional experience.
He worked, bro. He also worked.
Experience in Deloitte.
Oh, super.
Deloitte outside in Labour by just Dilip, what I'm telling you, if you got a job like Manikanta job, no one leave. I also don't leave.
I have 1.5 year experience in Chennai, India.
Oh, super. So
But
in CA final, you have one group pending or both groups pending?
Both group pending, both group. Only I cleared that law and the costing.
Same thing. For me, IBS also.
okay. But really, Dilip, if I got like Manikanta job, I don't leave Abba. Very nice job. Because work from home, Abba. That's what the beauty of that job. Work from home. That too, there is no that much pressure. Some jobs and all work from home also every time be on the laptop. No, this is not like that. Okay. Okay, dear. Okay, dear. Dilip, our target is 3 papers. Don't forget that. Otherwise, our brain will not happy.
Manikanta?
Manikanta?
I may not be available first half Monday because Monday I have to travel to Kochi.
Okay.
Oh, you're now also you are doing job and also you're studying.
No job. Is studying only. Is from travel to hometown to city.
Yeah. I am staying with one of my friend in Kochi.
You are from which state?
Kerala, Kochi, Ernakulam.
Oh, okay, Ernakulam. Okay.
Dilip, you don't worry. Once you completed your exams, Manikanta will help you to get the job. Okay? Dilip, you don't worry. Manikanta will help you to get the job. Definitely. Because he also referred many things. But I am not interested and didn't join. But you will join. You will get nice package. Don't worry. Okay?
Bro, this is not a good package, bro. 18 lakhs, what is that package? It's not a good package. No.
Babu, Manikanta, 18 lakhs is not a small package, bro. It is a big package only like us. Okay, it is a dream only. Don't think that to reach that dream also, we don't know how many years it will take.
For me, if I get the 12 also, I will accept.
It's 6 years hard work, 4 years changes in company. That's it. Now I am waiting for the increment. How much they will give? I expecting
in Bangalore. Where is your company location? Bangalore. Where is your company?
Richmond Circle.
Oh, I am not. I have no idea about it. But your company near Majestic. Okay. Majestic means in Kerala every bus stop up to I think Majestic. Majestic on bus stand is the Majestic.
Big bus stand, yeah.
Big bus stand. I know only that place. Once I visited there, Majestic.
know only one reason.
సరే మణికంఠ సార్ నాకు ఆఫీస్ క్లోజ్ చేసి వెళ్ళిపోతున్నాను రా బ్రదర్. సో థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్ దిలీప్, బోత్ ఆఫ్ యూ. థ్యాంక్స్ గైస్. టుడే రియల్లీ వండర్ఫుల్ డే. Really, I first question I feared how to solve, but Dilip solved very fraction of second. I'm really surprised because I thought in exam more than 40 minutes took me that question.
Sriman, one of my suggestion is while reading you can interpret, but in the extra hall while reading differently. So based on the question we have to interpret and answer. Then we can easily answer. Otherwise, if you read 2-3 times, it won't helpful. It will take time 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. So first of all, what question asked? We have to read the question instead of that 3-4 paragraphs. Some questions are there from 3 points. That 3 points we have to ask what they are telling, what we have to do that. And after that option question. First take the first question. What that questions mentioned, go to the paragraph and answer.
Okay, thank you guys. So thank you much. Bye tomorrow.
Okay, good night.
Sunday will rock Sunday. Okay, bye bye.
Good night.